For many people, just getting out and taking a drive to escape the boredom of the quarantine is a big step. In that respect, your vehicle actually becomes an important part of PPE. For starters, keep hand sanitizer in your vehicle and use it often. If you have access to masks, keep one in the vehicle as well. You might say actually fueling your vehicle creates the most potential exposure to the virus. Lots of fingers touch the pen pad, so if you can't find disposable gloves, use hand sanitizer immediately after fueling. Consider signing up for apps like Apple Pay, where you can actually pay for fuel wirelessly using your phone. In fact, the latest GM vehicles feature an in-dash app called Marketplace that you can pay for your gas at select stations. See them in person at Gwatney Chevrolet or Gwatney Buick GMC. For Auto Matters, I'm Jamie Cobb.